That's off my thing.
Wow, she's got What's got now, Meg?
That's from the toy box.
What's she got?
Don't know any of the music.
Oh,
Meow, 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 meow.
Ollie, aren't you gonna open some eggs?
Yes! Let's go and open some eggs!
We're talking about eggs and flyers and things and candy. Get lots of candy.
You just put it in an egg!
Shh. It's magic. Shush.
If I looked up in my room right now. Oh! I'm American person. Wow. It's off my shelf again. I did it.
What have you got there, Ollie? Show everybody.
That!
He's got Smarties. What else have you got, Ollie?
This thing that you got off my shelf.
What is it, Ollie?
Stole
Show us.
That's off the toy book. You're just scamming!
I wouldn't do that. Oh.
Yeah.
Wow, it's a
Oh.
Kinder Egg toy.
No, it's mine.
Meg.
Okay, where we got
Ollie, are you going to help Mummy clean up?
Woo!
The answer is yes. Okay, this stopped becoming a good idea. Right about that
It
point.
was a good idea in my head.